Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get CapCut on PC. So I'm going to show you two ways uh, two options where you can download CapCut on PC. First, you can use the CapCut browser. So you can just go to the CapCut.com. So actually, there are two options. First, you need to go to CapCut.com, and then in here you can edit the video online or use in the browser, or you can also download it here. If you're on Windows computer, you can just click on download for Windows, and then the CapCut will be downloaded. Then you can just log in or sign in into your account, or you can also make one. So that's two options, and the third or the last option is you can just go to the Microsoft Store if you're on Windows computer, and then type in CapCut in a search column. Then this result will be appear. You can just click on the CapCut. Then there will be an to install the app. I've already installed my CapCut in here. So I actually got my CapCut through this Microsoft Store. So you can choose whether you want to get it directly from the CapCut.com or just go to the Microsoft Store. So that's up to you. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below.